Today our session is going to be divided into three parts. The first part will be looking at inclusivity. Then we'll look at how inequalities happen through role play, and we've got a couple of very brilliant actors that will join us. And then we will tail it by giving you an insight into inclusive leadership, what it means, how it works, why it's important, and what you can do as organisations in order to promote inclusive leadership in your organisations.
Hi, yes, I'm Susan. This is the way I am, you know. My mum always told me from a very young age, always aim high, never second best, you know.
Sure, I'm just saying I need to get some extra information from some of the production team leaders.
It's just excuses again. Alistair, come on. You really need to pull your finger out now. You really do.
Well, he quite openly said he's waiting for the people to get back to him, and what you said to us, you do the presentation.
But this is a new opportunity. You know, you've got to seize opportunities when you can.
I mean, drinking Jaeger bombs with us. I mean, there's orange juice and stuff there.
I found it fascinating, really engaging, used a real variety of methods. The drama was really good, and Gamiel was superb in terms of engaging with everybody. Lots of ideas.
I found it really thought-provoking. It sort of crossed many areas that I already knew, but it was in a different light. And having the role plays was entertaining, but it also made you think a lot more in detail about what was actually happening, not just being entertained.
It was really, really useful to be able to see how people would then talk about it. And the smaller companies I work with, maybe I can sort of say, actually, have you thought of doing this? Because this is what larger companies are doing, and maybe you should be treating somebody a little bit differently. So it was such a useful experience. I really enjoyed it thoroughly.